Hi there everyone! In today's video, we will be discussing all about permutations. So these are the following objectives we need to attain in this topic. First, illustrate the permutations of objects. Second, list the possible ways a certain task and activity can be done. And the third, appreciate permutations as the vital part of one's life. First, let us discuss what is permutation. So a permutation refers to a mathematical calculation of a number of ways a particular set can be arranged. So there are four methods in determining permutations. First, we have the systematic listing. The second is the tree diagram. The third, the two-way table. And the last method is by using the fundamental counting principle. Let us discuss first the systematic listing. So, in determining permutations, let us have our first example. Dave invited his close friends Mark, Nolly, and Cheryl to his 21st birthday, which will be held at the hotel. He prepared a special table with chairs placed in a row to be occupied by his three friends. So what we're going to do is to list all the possible seating arrangement that he will prepare and in how many ways can they be seated in a row. So let's answer the number 1. So for the number 1, we need to list all the possible seating arrangement that can be made for the 3 person. Suppose we are going to represent Dave's friend by the following. So we have the pink square for Mark, blue circle for Nolly, and the yellow triangle for Cheryl. Let's have the first seating arrangement. The first set can be occupied by Mark, and then the second set will be occupied by Nolly, and the third set will be occupied by Cheryl. And then the second seating arrangement, the first set will be occupied by Mark, followed by Cheryl, and followed by Nolly. Then the third arrangement will be Nolly, Mark, and Cheryl. The fourth possible arrangement will be Nolly, Cheryl, and Mark. Then we have the fifth possible arrangement. We have Cheryl, Mark, and Nolly. And the sixth possible arrangement will have Cheryl, Nolly, and Mark. So all in all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 possible ways they can be seated in a row. So this method is called systematic listing because we have listed the possible outcomes in an organized and systematic manner. So this is the first method in determining permutation. I hope that you will stay tuned for our next method. Happy learning, everyone!